In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji to your channel names in Microsoft Teams. This is a simple way to make your channels easier to recognize at a glance and give your community a more organized visual look. Whether you want to highlight important topics, label fun spaces, or just make things feel a bit more polished, adding an emoji can help. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to the community where your channel is located. Make sure you're in the correct community before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're there, find the channel name that you want to update. Next, look beside that channel name for the three dots. This is the More Options menu, and it gives you access to settings related to that specific channel. Click those three dots to open the menu. From the list of options, click Edit Channel. This will open the editing view where you can make changes to the channel name. At this point, place your cursor in the channel name field exactly where you want the emoji to appear. You can add it at the beginning of the name, at the end, or wherever it makes the most sense for your layout. Now, press the Windows key and the period key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the built-in emoji picker in Windows. If you've never used it before, it's a quick and easy shortcut that works in many text fields, including this one in Teams. Once the emoji panel appears, browse through the available emoji and select the one you want to use. Try to choose something clear and relevant to the purpose of the channel. For example, a calendar emoji might work well for events, or a light bulb could fit an ideas channel. Keeping your emoji choices simple can make your channel list look cleaner and easier to scan. After selecting the emoji, it should appear in the channel name field automatically. Take a quick moment to review the updated name and make sure it looks the way you want. This is a good time to check spacing as well, so the title remains neat and readable. When everything looks good, click Save to apply the change. That's it. Your channel name will now include the emoji you selected. As a final tip, use emoji consistently across your channels if you want a more professional and organized appearance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.